Welcome to Top 5 Report. The Best Bond Tactical Soap is probably one of the most versatile and effective personal hygiene products on the market today, designed for those who demand performance and reliability in all situations, whether you're navigating the urban jungle, embarking on an outdoor adventure, or simply seeking a superior clean for everyday life. This soap stands out for its robust formulation and its ability to tackle tough grime while remaining gentle on the skin, making it an essential addition to any grooming kit. Number 5. Dr. Squatch Natural Men's Bar Soap. Discover the power of natural ingredients with our premium bar soap. It's crafted to cleanse and nourish your skin, leaving you feeling refreshed. Choose from our popular scents: Coconut Castaway, Fresh Falls, and Cool Fresh Aloe. Each one offers a unique and invigorating shower experience. Our soap is made using the traditional cold process method. This ensures that the natural oils retain their beneficial properties for your skin. Looking for a great gift? This 3-pack of natural bar soap is an ideal present for any man who appreciates quality and natural products. Each bar is a substantial 5 ounces, providing a long-lasting and satisfying cleansing experience. Enjoy premium quality that lasts. Infused with natural oils, our soap gently cleanses without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Feel the difference that natural care makes. What we like. This bar soap is crafted with natural oils for a pure, invigorating clean. It offers a range of appealing scents designed for men's grooming needs. If you're looking for a natural soap with a great scent profile and a focus on men's care, this is a solid choice. What people say. The soap has a great scent and lathers well. It leaves skin feeling clean and refreshed without being drying. The bar is a good size and lasts a long time. Number 4. Au Natural's Natural African Black Soap Bar 3-pack. Discover the authentic cleansing power of our natural African black soap. Sourced with 100% natural ingredients, it's a touch of luxury for your daily routine. Crafted with premium ingredients and infused with essential oils, this soap offers a rich, nourishing experience. Feel the difference of pure, natural care. Looking for the perfect gift? This premium soap set is an ideal choice for both women and men. It's a thoughtful way to show you care. Transform your bath or shower into a spa retreat. Its gentle yet effective formula works as both a body wash and a face soap. Our soap is meticulously cold processed to preserve the integrity of its natural components. Enjoy a high-quality, skin-loving cleanse. Choose Au Naturals for a naturally superior cleansing experience. Embrace the purity and effectiveness of African black soap. What we like. This option provides a 100% natural African black soap experience, perfect for a spa-like feel. It's formulated with premium ingredients and essential oils for both face and body. If you desire a deeply cleansing and nourishing soap that offers a luxurious, natural spa treatment at home, this is the one for you. What people say. The soap has a great lather and rinses clean, leaving skin feeling refreshed. It effectively removes dirt and grime without drying out the skin. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 3. One with Nature Dead Sea Mineral Mud Soap Bar. Discover the power of the Dead Sea with our mineral-rich mud soap bar. It's crafted with natural ingredients to gently cleanse and nourish your skin. This fragrance-free bar is enriched with shea butter and argan oil for deep hydration. It's perfect for even the most sensitive skin types. Infused with 21 essential minerals, including magnesium and sulfur, it helps to restore your skin's natural balance. Feel the revitalizing effects with every wash. Our unique mud formula works to gently exfoliate dead skin cells. It leaves your skin feeling soothed, smooth, and refreshed. Embrace a natural approach to skincare. This soap bar provides the ultimate nourishment, leaving your skin feeling healthy and radiant. What we like. Infused with 21 minerals from the Dead Sea, this bar offers a unique skin-soothing and exfoliating experience. Its fragrance-free formula makes it ideal for sensitive skin. If you suffer from skin irritations or are looking for a mineral-rich, gentle exfoliant, this bar is an excellent option. What people say. The soap has a great scent and lathers well. It leaves skin feeling clean and refreshed without drying it out. The bar is a good size and lasts a long time. Number 2. MARLOWE Body Scrub Soap, Sage Plus Fur, 7 ounces. Experience a deep cleanse like never before. This bar gently buffs away rough and dry skin, leaving it feeling refreshed. Awaken your senses with our original Sage Plus Fur fragrance. It's a refreshing scent that invigorates and revitalizes. Tired of rough patches? This scrub soap bar effectively removes dead skin cells. It reveals smoother, softer skin underneath. It doesn't just cleanse, it nourishes too. Enjoy a soap that leaves your skin feeling clean and revitalized after every use. Make exfoliation a part of your daily routine. This bar provides a perfect scrub to start or end your day. Each bar is generously sized at 7 ounces, ensuring long-lasting use. Get ready for a truly refreshing experience. What we like. This scrub soap bar is designed for a deep cleanse and effective exfoliation. It buffs away rough skin, leaving it smooth and refreshed. If you're seeking a soap that actively removes dead skin cells and provides a thorough scrub with a pleasant, natural scent, this is your go-to. What people say. The soap has a great scent and lathers well. It leaves skin feeling clean and refreshed without being drying. The bar is a good size and lasts a long time. Number 1. Arrest My Vest Laundry Booster Deodorizer. Are you struggling with stubborn smells in your uniforms, duty gear, or towels? Traditional washing might not be enough to tackle the toughest odors. Meet Arrest My Vest, the unscented laundry booster designed to eliminate odors at their source. It's the perfect solution for your most challenging laundry items. This powerful additive works deep within the fabric to neutralize sweat and body odor. Say goodbye to embarrassing smells and hello to freshness. Whether it's your work uniforms, athletic wear, or everyday towels, it effectively treats them all. Keep all your fabrics smelling clean and neutral. Enjoy the benefits of a truly clean garment without any added fragrance. It tackles odors effectively, leaving your items fresh and ready to wear. This 64-ounce pack provides a long-lasting solution for your laundry needs. A little goes a long way in ensuring your gear is odor-free. What we like. This laundry additive is specifically designed to eliminate tough odors at the source. It's unscented, making it suitable for all fabrics and sensitive individuals. If you deal with persistent body odor in uniforms, gear, or clothing and want a powerful, scent-free solution, this laundry booster is highly recommended. What people say. This soap is amazing, it has a great lather and a clean scent. I love the way this soap makes my skin feel so soft and moisturized. The packaging is also very nice, it looks very luxurious. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.